So hi everybody. I haven't done any videos in a while because I've been pretty busy. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do the truck videos though because I don't have a CDL anymore. Health got bad enough. Basically, trucking was killing me. So 23 years, and yeah, I'm not a truck driver anymore. So that's how it goes. Federal requirements. Have blood clot problems and such like that. Health, of course, weight, no time to exercise doesn't help, and always being on the run and never sleeping hardly doesn't help. So that's been dealt with. Starting a new lifestyle and career. Another thing, how do I put this nicely? Well, Felicity's going away. Not that I can't afford her. A friend of mine did me a huge favor. Really huge favor. And we're getting something else ready to go. So, yeah. By the way, thanks to my brother Bill, my friend Miguel, and Christina and Quentin, as always, sailing abroad and trying to help me make up my mind on all this. AJ, all them guys. So thank you guys. My insanity of going back and forth, I can never decide what I want. Anyway, back to normal here. So yeah, got a few options. I'm gonna see if you can guess which one I took. So yeah, that's what this video is. And in the comments, make your guess. We'll see if you're right. Okay? Have a good one. We're going to be on the water very shortly. It's not that Felicity's bad. It's just saved me literally 10 steps of work. So, it was an easy decision. Enjoy.
The next day. 6 hours later. 3 hours later. Tomorrow. 2 hours later. The next day.
So, quite a little variety there. See if you can figure out which one is going to be my next boat that we're going to set sail with. All pretty good boats, all have their own aspects. See. But, glasses and that reflection. But also, yeah, I'm putting Felicity up for sale. She needs to be gone by the end of October. I plan to be gone right around the same time, shortly after. Depends on what this weather does, by the way. Yeah. I've been thinking about everything with the hurricanes. Really sorry for everybody that lost and had problems with it. I am. So, yeah. Keep thinking, praying for them. Bit of a recovery there. Good bit of recovery. So, we'll see what the rest of this year has to bring. So, anyway, thanks for tuning in. And, yeah. See you in the next one.